Hey, Rocket.
Okay, so I ordered mag packages the other day, and 2 of them came yesterday. It was like some gems and some polish, but I really don't remember what I ordered, so this should be fun. Should be fun to watch. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are holographic like butterflies that you will see in acrylic nails, and there are so many colors. This is cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And you can mix them with like glitters and different stuff to like get that look that you want. I don't know what could be in here. Maybe something to apply it with. I don't remember ordering anything this small. Okay, interesting. Oh snap, I did order this chrome that goes on your nails, and it comes in this cute holographic package and with a little applicator. So that's cool, that's dope. This feels empty. Why the fuck is this big ass package? It feels empty. I don't even know. It's got a perforated thing, but it's not opening. I'm going to use the back of one of these brushes. Not pointy enough. I'm sorry, it's taking so long. The anticipation, like what is in this thin ass, and why would they make it so difficult? I'm gonna be so disappointed if it's something weird. Hair perforation to open. Well, that shit is not working. Okay. Look, y'all see how big this is, right? Look at this little thing that was in there. Did not expect it to be this. But this is not even how I thought it was gonna be. I got some cute like holographic cuticle pushers and stuff. But I thought this part was gonna be a little bit wider. It's fine. It's decent. But yeah, I hope this color does not like get messed up by the acetone, but it look so cool. I'm legit with the shit. I'm legit with the shit. Alright, now we have another box, which I thought I was gonna be getting some stuff tomorrow, but maybe it came soon. Oh yeah, this is something by itself. They could have put this with this instead of sending me that big thing. This is just a top coat and a base coat for gel, I think. Let me see. It's from Gelin. I think I'm gonna do a video like reviewing that. So yeah, that's the top and base coat. Nothing too fancy. Nothing too fancy, schmancy. I'll put all this stuff in here, which they could have did if they were smart. But they want to use all these different packages. I guess they probably came from different stuff. Ow! Alright. There's another one over here, which I think might be those random sunglasses I ordered. This, I think, is my mannequin hand. And I'm excited because that wasn't supposed to be here until like next Monday. Oh yeah, these are the shades. This is how they come. Grisha. Great GR Fisher. That's the brand. And they come inside of another plastic bag. And then they come inside of this wrapper with like plastic sleeves. And then there's finally the glasses, which look kind of messed up. But I think I paid like $11. This line is not even sharp. It looks like spray painted. I'm so mad. But this is how they look. I don't know how I feel about them, but when I get cute, they might look good. So, it's that. And then, please be what I think it is. Unless I order something else, maybe, because multiple things. Yes! This was not supposed to come until Monday or next Saturday. I don't remember what it said, but this is the training hand. And I don't know which side is the front. They look like they're sticking out of language. You never need to ask someone for a hand model. No training hand will be with you whenever and wherever you need to practice your nail skill. Oh my gosh, my eye is going crazy. Yeah, I don't need any more nail models. Fuck y'all bitches. Rocky, how you get stuck in here? Was you in here when I closed the door? Alright. This is going to be so fun. I'm doing some nails tonight. This is how it comes. So, of course you get the hand, which is kind of creepy looking, but it like extends. I guess you can do it however you need to. And there's like a mount of some sort. I don't know how to use that, but I'm gonna figure it out. Yeah, here's the fingers. You just do what you need to do with them things. This was the last one too, so I'm so excited that I got it. Yeah. Lucky draw, congratulations, you won a great chance to get free new product for a test. Welcome to contact us at this with your order ID. Redeem your free gift. We're standing by assisting you. Warranty card, 100% risk free. Oh wow, so they give you like a warranty if it doesn't work, you don't like it, quality, or it's broken or missing something, submit your order ID. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link to this, but it said it was the last one. This is so cute. I get a little kabuki brush, which you can use to dust off. And I think that's cute because I needed that. They give you a file, which they don't specify what the grit is, but it feels like 180 maybe. Like 100 on one side, 80 on the other. And a whole bunch of nail tips. Well, not tips, but nail beds to add to them. So I wonder if they're all the same size. That would probably be better so you don't have to go picking through it. The thumb looks way bigger actually. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Here's my, hey.